Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make creamy white sauce pasta. So let's start. For this we will need 1 cup penne pasta. We will boil it. I have already boiled it. You can see. Remember that you should add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil while boiling so that it does not stick to the bottom. So let's start with the other ingredients. First of all, we will heat our pan. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of oil for sorting of vegetables. You can see I have taken different vegetables. They are looking so colorful, so they will give a nice look to our vegetables and to our pasta. I have taken yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green capsicum, broccoli, cheese and sweet corn. Now I will put them in the fry pan. Keep stirring. After adding them, I will add a little butter also. We will keep our flame on low. You can see they are looking so colorful. After 1 minute, it will give crackling sound. Now I will keep my flame on medium to give it little crispy texture. Keep stirring so that it does not stick to the bottom. Now they have become soft. So now we will add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper to it. Now we will mix it. It will take total 5 to 6 minutes to cook like this. Now we will switch off the flame and keep it aside. Again, we will switch on our flame. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. And 2 tablespoons of butter to it. When it will melt, we will add 1 tablespoon of maida to it. Maida will help to thicken our white sauce. Now we will add maida. We have to stir it continuously so that no lumps are created. After stirring it for 1 minute, we will add 1 teaspoon of garlic. Again, we will stir it continuously. We will cook until it becomes golden brown. After that, we will add 1 cup milk. We have to stir it continuously so that no lumps are created. Now we will add rest of the 1 glass of milk to it. We will give it a complete boil. For this, we will switch our flame to medium. Now we will add half teaspoon of jalapeno mayonnaise to it. It will give it a good taste. Now to make it more creamier, we will add Amul cheese slice and give it a continuous stir. After mixing it completely, we will add 1 tablespoon of white mayonnaise. You can also take pasta flavor mayonnaise for this. Again, we will stir it so that no lumps are created. Now we will add 1 teaspoon salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, and some pizza pasta spice maker. Now we will stir it and give it a good mix. You can see how rich creamy it is looking. Now we will add our veggies to it. As the sauce has been cooked completely, you can also add pizza cheese to it. I am not adding because it is already so much creamy. After mixing it, we will add our pasta. Here goes the pasta. Now we have to bind our pasta in our white sauce. Now I will add some more oregano, black pepper on the top. Again we will mix it and our pasta is ready. If you want to keep it creamy, you can switch off the flame now. But if you don't like this cream, you can keep it cooking for 2 more minutes. Enjoy your creamy pasta with your family and friends. Thank you for watching my video till the end.